everyone. I am Assistant Kamalam, Assistant Professor in ACA Department. I am working in Velaman Institute of Technology. I have been in teaching field since 1994. Due to my experience, I learned a lot in embedded and IoT systems, and I wish to demonstrate some of the applications in IoT devices. So today let me discuss about how the Arduino Uno is used to control the appliances, just like buzzer or LED or whatever we have actuators. All those devices are to be controlled by means of a gesture movement. So let me discuss about Arduino Uno IDE as well as the Python code. So then only we can interface the Python with the Arduino IDE. So for this, first we have to start to write the code in Python. So here I use the interpreter as a VS Studio, that is Virtual Studio. In this one, how to write the program for the gesture movement. It is so simple. So for this we need so many models. First we have to download all these models in this VS Studio. First one, we have to import the CV2 OpenCV model. This OpenCV model is used to capture the images or used to capture the video. So for that we need the OpenCV. And then the main thing model is MediaPipe. It is one of the model. It is to be declared as a MP here. This model is very important. It is used to analyze the movement of the gesture. For example, if I show the hand movement in front of the webcam, so on that time it recognizes the movement of the hand and it is used to provide a marker points. For example, it can cover the 21 points in my hand. So as for this, we have to download this model as a MediaPipe. And this code is to be communicated with the Arduino development board by sending the commands through the serial port. So for that, serial model is also downloaded. For making some delay in our program, so time model is also required. And then this code is very simple to write. Here I declared the variable what I have. As for my knowledge, I declared some of the variable is Arduino. So in this one Arduino, here that one serial is a model, already we downloaded that one model. So along with this model, which communication port is to be connected into the Arduino. So for that, the Arduino Uno, COM port 4 is to be connected. So suppose in your Arduino Uno board, so which port is connected, you have to choose that particular port. So here I used the communication port number 4, so I declared as COM port. And which data rate is to be possible to transfer the data, so that is to be mentioned here as 9600. For making a 2-second time delay, so we have to return the command is that is time.sleep 2. Okay. Next one, how the hand is to be recognized. Here I mentioned here is hands, that is one of the variable, hands is equal to here. So I declare only one hand. Suppose if you want to show the two hands, on that time maximum number of hands is equal to 2. And then how this hands is to be recognized, it is used to provide a marker point. For that we need the function is mp.solution drawing utilities is to be needed. And then by using of the OpenCV, that cap variable is to be assigned here. So one of the CV2 model function is in video capture. Here mentioned video capture inside the open parenthesis, that is 0. The 0 indicates that we are going to use the webcam. If I have a external camera, so I have to change that value 0 to 1. After that, coming to the part of looping, so we have written is that is while true. In that while true, that is actually by showing our hand, it is to be read. So it is recognize the hand. So webcam is used to going to recognize the hand. So for that it is intimated as a cap.read. Cap always, we declare it as one of the variable. So already we declare. And next one, all those things what are all captured here is to be in horizontal position. So for that CV2.flip frame.1, because capturing the images, video images, it is to be considered as a frame. Here in the first line we have written as ret, frame. So frame indicates that the capture image that is to be stored in the variable is the frame. and return indicates that as for the capturing images, that boolean variables 1 or 0 is to be stored in that variable as in return. Okay, next one, what is we are going to do means that just we have to convert the color from BGR to RGB. So BGR to RGB, this command is used to convert this color BGR black and white to RGB. Okay, next one, while recognizing the hand, so the Arduino can receive the input as a 1. For that, Arduino write b comma 1 is given. So if it is recognized, then we can go to the for loop for multiple times of repetition is to be needed. So for this case, we can be written as a for hand landmarks function in result, that is multi-hand landmarks. Okay, so in this one, the hand is to be recognized, the hand connection is to be recognized. After that, the frame is to be converted, the frame is to be converted into a boolean variable 1 or 0. Whether the hand is recognized, 1 is transmitted. If it is not recognized, 0 is to be given. So for that case, so we have to, while capturing our hand, so we need some text. So that is to be represented as hand detected, LED on, and next one, if it is not detected, if we transfer the information is 0, it is hand is not detected. So in that case, that is LED off. Here it is hand detected means on. Here I have to return like us hand not detected, but I mentioned here is hand detected. But if you can change, you can change this one, hand not detected, that is LED off. Okay, what's the meaning of this 10, 40? These are all the things means 10, 40 means our which character we are going to display. So this font size is to be the font scale. Length is 10 and width is 40. The default font is HC simplex. And next one, 0 to 55,0. This one indicates that RGB. This 2 indicates that it is the thickness of the font, that is hand detected or LED off, because it is available in the string format. Okay, so this one indicates that the position, in which positions we are going to display. If it is 0, so the same code is to be copied again. But if it is 0, nothing is to be, the LED should be in off condition. For that case, hand is not detected. Okay, after that, so the name of the project is hand LED control. And finally, if our hand is recognized, as for our recognition of the hand, the particular LED should on or off. So which LED we are going to assign, that is to be explained in the Arduino IDE program. And next one, if we want to off the camera or close the camera by this, we have to use the ASCII code, that is the escape key. So for that, we declare as in 27. This is the second part of the hand movement code. So first one part is an Python program, and second part is an Arduino embedded C program. So I used here is an Arduino development board. So this is the Atmega development board. So here, so for this one, that in this IDE platform, I mentioned here which pin is to be connected with the LED. So pin number 13 is declared as an output pin, and which baud rate we are going to use, that is to be represented as a 9600 here. And then if the data is available, if the hand is recognized, then it is to be considered as a 1. So if statement, it indicates that whether the condition is true or not. If it is true, then it can write the digital output 13th pin as a high. If it is 0, it can write the digital output as a low level. So for that time, the LED should be in off condition. So how can we demonstrate this one? First, we have to upload this program. So no need to run the program. Arduino IDE code is uploaded or not. After uploading, need to connect external LED, connect the anode part to the 13th pin of UNO and cathode part to the ground. Now click the run button. In that time, so the camera is to be open. While recognizing the hand gesture movement, then only the corresponding LED should be on whenever it detects the hand movement. If not detects the hand movement, on that time, the LED should be in off condition. Run button. So when my hand is recognized, in that time, so the 21 coordinate points are observed. So in this time, the LED is in on condition. If the hand is not recognized, The LED is in off condition. It is displayed in the screen also and not detected LED off. For completing this program, now we wish to close the camera. Don't try to close the camera directly in the system part, in this window part. So use the escape button to close the camera window. Thank you.